Hi everyone, welcome back to the Salesforce Learning Hub. This channel is all about learning and solving problems together. Today I have found a business scenario that we are going to practice together. Here is in business scenario how to calculate 15% of tax automatically. I just create a simple logic before creating a formula field in R. Let's start our first formula field step by step. I'm already logged in my Salesforce org. So let's see the amount field in opportunity object. Amount field in on opportunity object. So we calculate tax based on this amount field. Let's start. So, object manager. Field and relationship. New. So data type is formula. So field level is estimated tax, and the return type is currency. And here is the decimal place. Then go next. Here is the advanced formula editor. So I should insert field opportunity amount, insert multiplier 15%, so 0.15. Check syntax. There are no syntax errors. Next, and save. Go home, let's verify. Here is the amount field is to $135,000, and the estimated tax field is $35,250. So this field is read-only field, we can't change. If you have any formula related questions or scenarios, share them in the comment section so we can solve them together.